Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson and it is Python Wednesday, yes. And you know, we always begin Python Wednesday by telling you which oils we're diffusing. And this morning, we are diffusing Copaiba, Spearmint, Citrus Fresh, and Rosemary. And it is a blend that is called Deck the Halls. Deck the Halls. So you would take all of these different drops of the different oils and you will be decking the halls as you continue to put up your Christmas decorations. I've been enjoying Deck the Halls. All right, so we're going to get right into Python Wednesday. So we're going to go ahead, go into Spider. All right, so here we are trying to basically merge 3 files. We're not merging 2 files. We are merging 3 files. So one thing that we're going to do now is we're going to use a Panda to merge these 3 files. All right, so here, let me go ahead and move this over so you can see all of the syntax. Okay, so here we're going to have a variable complete frame. Well, let's back up a minute. What we're going to do here on the for loop that we used last week, since we're not doing for loops this week, all we're going to do is go ahead and put comments. Put three comments here. Put your comment notation here, your comment notation here around that for loop. Okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and declare a variable frame that's going to look and merge the Panda data frame. Okay, so it's going to merge on file 1 with sample data 0, sample data 1. Those are the 2 files, okay? Remember the 2 files right here, okay? From sample data 0, 1, 2. All right, so it's going to merge these 2 first, and it's going to merge them on name. All right? Then it's going to take this file that's created and it's going to merge the file that was merged here. It's going to merge it again with sample data 2 on the same variable name. Okay? Remember, if you go back to your Excel spreadsheet, remember name is one of the columns in each spreadsheet. Okay? All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and run that, and then we're going to see what kind of data we actually get. All right, here we go. This is the data that we got. So here we only have 10 lines of information, but it seems like I've gotten back 15 lines. And it seems as if this first piece of data is doing something with, oh, I have 2 Joes in my list. All right, I got 2 Joes in my list. So Joe Matchy and Joe Connor. So what we'll talk about is how to look at our data next week. We merged our data. Okay, so now we want to go in and we want to analyze our data a little bit. We may have to change one of the columns that we're actually merging the data on so we can get the information we want. Because all we want is the random number. We want the date. We want the first name, the last name, and the gender. And we can also see here too, it basically created date twice. So there's something going on here with Joe because we have 2 Joes in our list. And there's something going on here because it has basically stated the date twice in our data. So we'll do some data analysis next week. So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there's any commercials that you missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. It is Python Wednesday. Yeah.